pretend I have like a fedora. Tip my hat. Yeah, okay, let's get
2, 3, 4.
Hi. My name is Audrey Martin. I'm a Girl Scout with Troop 1022 in the heart of Central California. And welcome to Operation Vegetation. Cool name, right? Thanks. Made it myself. Now, I will be the first to say, I am not the best cook. But I've made it my mission this year to learn how to cook vegetables in ways that I'd actually want to eat. And I'm here to share that journey with you. And hopefully, through my mishaps and eventual successes, you can learn with me. So, let's go! To start off, we are going to wash our veggies. I have some broccoli florets, and I'm just rinsing them each individually under the water here. Next, I took my saucepan and I filled it up to about the second knuckle with water, but it just depends on how tall your steamer is because you don't want the water to hit the bottom of the steamer. So this is what my steamer looks like. It has these unfoldable feet on the bottom that let it sit above the water level. And I just put in all of my broccoli and then closed it up and we're ready to go. To start the cooking process, take your steamer, put it in the water, make sure that the water is not touching the bottom of the steamer, and turn on the heat. Then, wait until the water starts boiling. Once the water is boiling, like this, turn down the heat just a little bit and cover with a lid. Then, just leave it so that it steams to your desired tenderness. I left my broccoli for about 10 minutes, and that made it still kind of crisp, but soft enough to eat. When you open the pot after it's done steaming, be careful to open it away from you because the hot steam can burn. I tested a piece and it was good, so I took it off the heat. You can finish steamed veggies with pretty much whatever you want, but I like my stuff simple, so I'm just putting on a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and some balsamic vinaigrette. In my opinion, it turned out really well. It was really tasty. And that's the final product. Thank you for watching.